Whoa! And just like that, I almost dislocated my shoulder, but don't worry, today I'm talking about actual shoulder dislocations, what they are, why they happen, and how to fix them. Let's dive in, carefully. Imagine your shoulder joint as a ball and socket party. The ball, your humerus, is chillin' in the socket, your scapula, but sometimes it decides to leave the party without permission. And boom, your shoulder is out of place. Congratulations, you now look like a deflated action figure. So why does your shoulder decide to betray you? Well, sports accidents, basketball, football, trying to impress your crush with a backflip, say hello to the ER, falls. Whether it's a heroic slip on a banana peel or a graceful fall down the stairs, the shoulder takes the hit. Overenthusiastic dancing, that moment when you go too hard at a wedding and pop, instant regret. Arm wrestling gone wrong, you thought you were the Rock but your shoulder said nah and tapped out first. If your shoulder is dislocated, you'll know. Trust me, it's not a do I have a cold? Situation. Symptoms include pain level, 100,000 tenths, it hurts. A lot. Like stepping on Legos but in your shoulder. Weird arm position. Your arm is probably looking like it belongs to a Picasso painting. Swelling and bruising, like your shoulder got into a bar fight and lost. Okay, let's talk about things you should definitely not do. Yanking it back yourself, unless you have a PhD in not making things worse. Let a doctor handle it. Ignoring it, it's not a walk-it-off injury, unless you enjoy permanent damage. Letting your uncle fix it. If he learned medicine from YouTube, that's a red flag. Alright, now that you've inevitably dislocated your shoulder, what's next? Get to a doctor. Seriously, don't Google DIY shoulder fix unless you want to star in a medical horror story. Reduction. The pop-back move. A doctor will gently move the joint back, and by gently, I mean it might hurt a lot. Immobilization. Your arm will be in a sling, so get used to looking like a pirate for a few weeks. Pain management, ice, pain meds, and possibly questioning your life choices. Physical therapy. Time to regain your superhero strength, but, safely this time. Want to avoid this disaster in the future? Here's how. Strengthen your shoulder muscles, less spaghetti arms, equal sign, fewer dislocations. Warm up before sports, because jumping straight into action is how you end up in this video. Avoid dangerous stunts. If it looks like a bad idea, it probably is. And there you have it, folks. Shoulder dislocations. Painful, dramatic, but totally avoidable if you're careful. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever had a shoulder oopsie moment. Stay safe and keep your joints where they belong.